If you are in your 20s, listen up. I'm 25 and I wish someone had told me this earlier. My name is Fahad, a husband and engineer, and in this video, let me be completely honest with you. Your 20s are going to feel like a mess. One day, you feel like you have all your life figured out, and next, you will be questioning your own existence. I get it. You're trying to get a job, build a career, maintain healthy relationships, manage finances, and somehow not lose your mind in the process. But there are a few things which I have learned the hard way and wanted to share it with you guys, which might save 5 to 10 years of your whole precious life. I used to think that by 25 I would have it all together, financially, mentally, and emotionally. But spoiler alert, I don't, and neither does anyone else. The reality is, we are all figuring things out as we go, and the people who look like that they have it all together are just good at pretending. So stop comparing yourself with someone else's highest reel. This journey is yours alone. No one is coming to save you. So just focus on progress, not on perfection. If there's a one thing I wish I had learned sooner is that your relationship with money in your 20s are going to define your 30s, 40s and beyond. So start saving, build an emergency fund, invest early, even if it's just a little. Believe me, the time passes by so quickly that your future self will thank you for not blowing your entire paycheck on the things which you don't even remember buying. We have been taught that our job defines us, but here's the truth. Your career is just a part of your life, not your entire existence. So work super hard, but don't let your job consume you. Find the things outside of your work which makes you feel happy, whether it is hobby, side hustle, or spending the time with the people you love. Don't let your job title define you. Your worth is not tied with your job title. The people you surround yourself with in your 20s will define your future. If your friends encourage only bad habits, negativity, and drama, then cut them off. Find people who push you to be better, support your growth, and actually care about you. It's always better to have a smaller circle of real ones than a bigger circle of fake ones. How many times have you thought about doing something and then talked yourself out of it? Starting a new business, doing side hustle, learning a new skill, whatever it is. Stop wasting your time. Stop waiting for the perfect time. Perfection is a lie. Just start, and that things will get better and better as the time passes by. Yes, your 20s are the time to try, fail, learn, and grow. Action beats our thinking every time. Look, I'm still figuring things out just like you, but one thing I know for sure, that your 20s are not about having everything sorted out. They are just about laying the foundation of your future. And if you put this right, you are going to have a great future. So make mistakes, learn fast, invest in yourself, and most importantly, don't waste this time. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to get more financial tips. Thank you.